Hey, welcome back. Today's video is about HTML paragraph, so let's get busy. In HTML, a paragraph is represented by a p tag, and your browser will always show it in a new line. To specify that your text is a paragraph, you enclose it inside a p tag. Let me show you. For that, let me take this time to introduce you to two websites that we'll be using. The first one is Lorem Ipsum, and we'll be using this website to generate fake paragraph to use it in our project as placeholder, then we can replace it later. Next website is called codepen.io. This is where we'll be testing our code. You don't need to sign into this website to use it, but if you want to keep your codes or to save them, or if you want to have more functions, then you need to create an account, which is free. I'm going to create my 3 paragraph, then click generate, then copy by clicking copy. Then on CodePen, I will click start coding. Since we are not using JavaScript or CSS, I will collapse them down. Then I will paste my text here inside the HTML. Something to note about CodePen is that you're inside the body tag. I had 3 paragraphs, but the browser doesn't know that. You can see that everything is together. So I need to tell the browser the start and the end of each paragraph by adding a p tag. And by doing that, now the browser understands my text. Since we know about headings, let's add level 1 headings and say about me. It looks like the browser doesn't know where the off switch for heading 1 is. So let's give it by adding closing tag. All right, and there is my About Me page. So now I believe you can create paragraph using HTML. If you got value from this video, like it and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.